Back in the day, baggers weren't a thing. But that didn't stop riders from strapping up some essentials and hitting the open road. And while there's definitely something glorious about that minimalism, you can bet those tough guys would have welcomed the convenience of some storage and a bit of relief from the unrelenting wind. Introducing the Indian Motorcycle Super Chief, a classic American V-twin cruiser that offers the timeless spirit of minimalism with a little more comfort and convenience to do serious miles. Speaking of miles, our Thunderstroke motor was designed to devour them for our baggers and touring models. And making 120 pound-feet of torque, it's perfect for double duty, in town or on the highway. The Super Chief was designed with versatility in mind. Swept-back handlebars for all-day comfort, factory floorboards for longer rides, and a quick-release windshield that makes it easy to go from wind in your hair to protection from the elements. Then there's the bags, with plenty of storage for all your essential gear. And with its lower seat height, low center of gravity, and compact wheelbase, the Super Chief is a touring-capable cruiser manageable for any rider. And that's really the bike's mission, to bring the simplistic power and euphoria of the open road to riders of every size and skill level. We've also included some tech features, like 3 selectable ride modes and a touchscreen display that offers turn-by-turn navigation. The new Indian Chief does it all without sacrificing anything. The perfect motorcycle for those who value versatility. But perfection is different for everyone. That's why we've developed a lineup of additional parts to make your bike feel even more your own. For those riders more intent on bigger miles and tackling the elements, there's heated grips, LED driving lights, and a quick-release low windshield. And if you're gonna ride 2 up, you'll appreciate our sissy bar and backrest options with a quick-release system that makes installation fast and painless. We've also got slip-on mufflers and classic fishtail exhaust tips that intensify the bike's look and sound. These are just some of the premium accessories we have available, so be sure to check out our motorcycle configurator at indianmotorcycle.com to build your own. The all-new Super Chief from Indian Motorcycle.